Good morning. This recording is for the 3.06 Gas Laws Review. Let's start with this warm-up. What does inversely proportional refer to? A, as one value increases, the other increases. B, as one value increases, the other decreases. C, as one value decreases, the other decreases. D, volume increases, pressure increases. E, I'm still thinking about it. Think about which ones you can eliminate. I can see that there are 1, 2, 3 that are pretty close together. Which 3 are those? Did you get C? I hope so. As inversely proportional means they're going to have opposite relationship with each other. As one increases, the other decreases, or vice versa. Motivational moment. A river cuts through rock, not because of its power, but because of its persistence. Keep on persisting, keep on trying. That will help you get where you wish to go. So this is the review for all of the gas laws. So we have our 3 I can statements up here on the board about the properties and recognizing the relationships with them. And we are looking at those and we'll be testing ourselves on those tomorrow. Take a moment to determine how much effort you are putting in the class. Are you taking in the effort that you need to? If so, what do you need to change? What could you change? Think about what grade you would like to get and make sure your effort matches. So today's option, since we're getting ready for the test, is that you can go through and use the review sheet. You could work on any assignments or the Quizlet that's available to you in your course. There is a Quizlet test also you'll see in there so that you can help prepare for the test in whatever way that you need to. Check out any past weekly quizzes to help you out. Those are super helpful. I know that it is Monday. This should have been done on Friday, but I want to make sure you've gone through and used that. And if you didn't get a great score, go in and take it again, because that is a perfect opportunity for you to prepare for the test. Go through, review any missing assignments, check out your assignments and low grades, redo those things. Check the toolkit to help you. It's all there in that content. If you're not sure how to find things in the content, go into the course under the tabs into content. So you've gone into the course, you've clicked on content, and there's course overview and grade helps. There's a video in there to help show you where everything is in the course. So for attendance, today's attendance word will be listed out for you. It is steps, S-T-E-P-S, steps. So have a great day. Hopefully we'll see you soon. And if you have any questions, let us know. Have a great day. Please remember that on your study guide questions, you just want to do the best you can in filling out the properties of a gas. Remember, going back to our last unit, we learned that gases are indefinite volume and shape, that they're compressible. There's a lot of space between their particles, and that the particles move pretty fast. So there's a lot of information we've gone through in each of these PowerPoints. I recommend you going through the PowerPoints to help you catch each of these pieces of information that you're being asked to review. It will really, really help you on your test and the test results. See you soon and good luck as you prepare. I know that persistence will pay off for you.